Hello guys, this is Dr. Pankajika. In this video, we are discussing about applications of numerical methods. We have more number of applications on numerical methods. One of them is making weather prediction. In the present generation, within seconds, we will get the weather predictions by using mobile phones. Not only in the mobile phones, every day in the TV channels and also in the newspapers, we will get the weather predictions. How do we get the weather prediction? Behind this, we have to apply the numerical techniques. Now, I will explain where we have to apply the numerical techniques to get the weather prediction. Meteorologist uses the satellites, radars, and weather balloons to collect the data by observing the pattern of the clouds in the sky, and also by using the current weather conditions and the previous weather conditions, and also by tracking the motion of the air. The collected data is plugged into the powerful supercomputers to create the forecast model of the atmosphere. The weather model uses the coordinate system. It divides the planet into the 3D grid. In each grid, we have to calculate the heat transfer, solar radiation, and also phasing of the water. On the planet, each grid means particular area. In the particular area, we will get the number of nonlinear system of equations. How do we solve these nonlinear system of equations? It is impossible to solve these nonlinear system of partial differential equations by using analytical methods. To solve these nonlinear system of equations, we have to apply the numerical techniques. By using finite difference methods, we can solve these nonlinear system of partial differential equations. By using this powerful computational method, we can solve these equations to describe the atmosphere. And also we have more number of applications on the forecast of weather. To predict the natural disasters, we have to apply the forecasting of weather. Not only in the natural disasters, and also in the farming, in air traffic, in the military, and also in the private sectors, we have to apply the forecasting of weather. So to get the weather prediction, we have to apply the numerical techniques. And one more application of numerical techniques is machine learning. What is machine learning? The machine can learn by its own without being programmed. One of the examples is in the Google search, translation of the spoken words into the text. Without being programmed, our words translated into the text. This is one of the examples to the machine learning. And also image recognition. Here, we don't write any program. The machine can learn by its own. And also in the credit card and debit card fraud detection. In all these cases, you can apply the machine learning. Where we have to apply the numerical techniques? So in this machine learning, we will get the more number of integral equations. To solve those complicated integral equations, we have to apply the numerical techniques. So the computation of the complicated integral equations is the common operation in the machine learning. Not only in the machine learning, we have one more application in the numerical techniques. That one is artificial intelligence. So in the artificial intelligence also, we can apply the numerical techniques. So same as in the machine learning, you can apply the numerical techniques in the artificial intelligence because machine learning is part of the artificial intelligence. Here also we can solve the more number of complicated integral equations. So that is a common operation in the machine learning and artificial intelligence. By solving those complicated integral equations, we can get the machine learning artificial intelligence. So Numerical techniques plays an important role in the machine learning and also the artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means it trains the computer to work like a human being. One of the important example in the artificial intelligence is manufacturing of robots. We can use the robots in the medical field to do the surgeries. One of them is laser eye surgery. So in the present generation, we are using artificial intelligence. And also not only in the medical field, we are using the artificial intelligence in our education field and also in the entertainment field and also in the gaming, in agriculture, in e-commerce, in finance, in social media. Everywhere in the present generation, we are using the artificial intelligence. So in the artificial intelligence and also in the machine learning, the numerical techniques plays an important role. So in this video, we discuss some of the applications of numerical techniques. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.